my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like.
So this time we are gonna watch Jaan Se Guzarte Hai. Durandar The Revenge, the movie's name. Ranveer Singh, Shashwat Sachdev, Khan Saab, everybody else. Let me just read the description and we can go for it. Credits, Dio, okay. Another the other film, Durandar The Revenge, the second part of Durandar, you know it already. Written, directed and produced by Aditya Dar. Produced, other producers would be Jyoti Deshpande, Lokesh Dar. Cast is Ranveer Singh, Sanjay Dutt, R. Madhavan, Arjun Rampal, Sara Arjun. Alright, let me just look into the song Jaan Se Guzarte Hai, the title. Music is by Shashwat Sachdev, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, singer is Khan Saab, and oh, his name is so hard to say. Shashwat Sachdev, yeah. Sachwat. Lyric Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, mixed and mastered by Akash Shravan. Okay, guys. Time for the music. Okay, we're gonna go pop it down. Boom. I didn't expect that. Look at that. The man behind Durandar. Sorry. It's a classical beginning. जान लेके गुजरते हैं एक्चुअली जान से Oh, he looks nice. Like a nice boy. I haven't watched the second part of Durandar. I'll watch. Why does he look like the gully boy? Look at him. I think it's the backstory of what happened to his family. अजनबी बनकर पूरा खानदान खत्म कर लेते जान ले लेते The instrumental work is just so beautiful. Classical! I love it! Is his eyes like grey in this? Oh, the riffs. When they suddenly hit me with the classical notes in the beginning, I was not expecting that. I thought it's gotta be more of Ari kind of a thing, but it just started with Padani sa, and all. I was like, cool, this is cool. And the lyrics, of course, a stranger coming by who was more of a naughty one here because जान से गुजर जाते हैं या जान ले लेते हैं पता नहीं क्या करते हैं लेकिन we know one thing that he does for sure is do run. I'm really sad that I have not watched the second part. But guys, you need to understand one thing about me is that I don't go to theaters much. Why I do reaction channels is that I don't watch all this. And I'm only watching it with you guys. but I'm trying my best to like catch up. I watched Durandar, the part 1. Durandar 2 is something that we'll be watching again. I'll try to bring it on the channel because I've not watched it anyways. So we can try to bring that back to the channel. Maybe not the whole fucking movie, but you know, the fight scenes and something. While I'm watching, I'll just cut it and bring it for you. The video definitely took us on a journey. We saw him sitting in the train looking like he's eyeing onto somebody, he's following somebody, a man on a mission. And then later we did also see a journey of his own with his family, looking like a good boy, taking picture, maybe going for an office work rather than, you know, the work he's doing now, working for the country. And we also saw the brutality behind people harming his family and the reason to become the person he is today, the revenge, the Durandar, that mission that he has taken on is very much visible through this video. And to know more, I will have to watch the movie obviously. But the song was lit, I enjoyed it. I'll just read the description, the comments, and then we'll end this video. Movie 10 out of 10, song 10 out of 10, actors 10 out of 10, director 10 out of 10, producer, and just he has written everything, hype 10 out of 10, plot twist, action. Audience 10 out of 10. This is called absolute masterpiece. This person has given everybody a 10 out of 10 and I agree with him. I'm sure that the part 2 is also going to live up to the part 1. Part 1, the fight scenes we have uploaded on the channel, guys. If you have not watched it, definitely go for it. I was shocked when I watched it. Absolute cinema. The movie gets better and better after every rewatch. So yes, rewatched it. Is the Durandar Revenge, has it come on OTT? Please let me know if you know about it. Theater experience, I'm sure it must have been a whole different experience because the musicality, you know, the sound system, the big screen, and the acting, everything is, you know, enhanced, and you can have a better experience there more than how I'm gonna have. But it's me. You know, I always have a good experience, no matter if it's a small phone screen or a fucking laptop. It's fine. 10 minutes of this movie is better than 10 years of YRF Spy Universe. Okay, somebody just roasted YRF. It's like, if you're going for it, let's just take a dig while we are at it. Papa ka jamana Sholay, hamara jamana Durandar. Both are great films, so you can't even kind of like say Sholay is bad because it's one of the bigger films. By the way, I have not watched Sholay. You guys are gonna kill me now. I've heard of Sholay a lot, but I know it's one of the classic films, right? So that's the reason why I'm like hyping it up. But I have not watched it yet, so I don't know. I'm nobody to judge at this point. When this song was played in the theater, my adrenaline rushed. Theater experience, part 1, you're not ready for this. Part 2, you're still not ready for this. Yeah, we didn't see a lot of comments as such. And I'm sure I'm probably not ready for the part 2 because part 1 was already very fucking scary. The action, the storyline was very good, and the acting was obviously a masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed this reaction, guys. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. It's gonna be a trailer or a teaser, something that I have missed out on. So we'll watch that. And bye.
No filter, I got no